is ready to pack. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you are just seeing me for the first time, please help me to subscribe for more videos. Okay, so in this video I want to prepare nutritional and spicy swallow. Okay, so this is my millet, this is wheat. Okay, so this spicy millet is on my YouTube channel. How we prepare it? You have a lot of ginger, negro pepper, small pepper, clove. Okay, we have other thing inside this spices. Okay, watch it on my YouTube channel. So we are going to prepare it with swallow, and this millet, this wheat is on my YouTube channel. Come and follow me as you want to prepare this swallow. It's nice. So I've already boiled my water down. So as you see, so I want to add millet. This is wheat. Wow, the aroma of this swallow, eh? This is medicinal swallow. Wow, the aroma. It's ready to pack. Subscribe for more video. Please help me to share my video with your friend and family to support me. Thank you very much. So it's ready to pack. you very much. Thank you for watching. This is nutritional swallow and spicy swallow. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. This is our soup. Watch how we prepare this delicious black soup. It's on my YouTube channel. How we prepare it. It's delicious with this swallow. Thank you. See you where we'll be eating our delicious food. Bye bye. Let's go there. Share, subscribe. Please help me to subscribe. Share with your friend and family. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.